Hello, I'm James Jimenez. I'm from the COMELEC, and we're here again at Philippine Ask, where we answer your questions about the automated elections. And I'm with the beautiful
Attorney Karen
There
Jimeno,
you
Head
go.
for Voters Education of Smartmatic. And today, Director James, our question is again related to ballots.
What happens if my ballot gets damaged or wet?
For the most part, kung mabasa siya ng konti or malukot, or matupi ng konti lang, or mapunit, no? Kunyari, ganyan, mapunit mo siyang ganyan, okay lang yan, no? Ang pinapaalala lang natin sa public is that kapag tinamaan mo itong timing marks, yan, hindi mo na magagamit yung balota. Security feature po kasi ng makina na kapag may tama yung mga marks na ganyan, ay i-reject niya yung balota. Pero kung maliit lang naman na damage, Attorney Karen, sa experience din natin, hindi yan nagiging problema.
So tatanggapin pa rin yung ballots nyo even if it gets wet or it gets damaged, torn, or crumpled. But in extreme cases, pag sobra talaga yung damage sa ballots, it might not be accepted by the vote counting machines.
Paalala ko lang dun sa wet. Kapag sinabi nating wet, hindi yung soaking wet, ha? Pag soaking wet, obviously, siguro kung hindi pa siya nadurog, patuyuin nyo muna. Pero kung medyo na wisik-wisik lang ng tubig or anything like that, pwede pa naman. Pero very important yung sinabi mo sa akin kanina. Anong dapat hindi nila gawin habang hawak nila yung balota? Hindi sila dapat magdala ng drinks. Hindi sila dapat magdala ng pagkain, no? Make sure that you keep the ballot clean.
In the first place, pwede bang kumain sa polling precincts?
Ay, alam mo naman dito sa Pilipinas, we travel on our stomach. No, pero technically speaking, hindi naman talaga pwede. Pero baka lang makapuslit.
Okay, so don't eat and drink while voting. If you have any more questions about the 2016 elections, use the hashtag #PhilippineAsk2016 and send it to us.
Pilipinas.